Hi, I'm Brian, and I have way too much free time. For years now I've been watching Top Gear. If you don't know what that is, it's a car show. Well, the car show. And with all the presenters coming and going, I said, I'd review a car. Well, it's my car. So let's see. Could I do that? Now I'm here with an 08 Ford Focus Style, and I'm going to go through the 11 questions that everyone goes through when they're getting a new car. Don't worry, got you covered in all aspects. I knew this could go for about 15 grand. But it's about 8 years old and I've owned it, so I reckon I go for about 16 to 18 grand. So the top speed of this is actually 99 kilometers an hour. I was on the motorway a couple of times, so it was 119 kilometers an hour. Now I've never actually been on a track, so I never got to try out the top speed of the car, and I'd never ever break the speed limit. To a colourblind person, yes it is. To everyone else, I'm afraid it is actually red. Actually, yes. It's advised me on some really good stocks, and I'm hoping to make a really good return from them. Now, I couldn't actually find anyone that would let me merge them for this segment, so I just got my friend Brandon. Let's see. Hi Brandon, are you comfy in there?
Yeah, right, yeah.
Okay, I have a packet of meanies for him, and I have a bottle of water, and yeah, super good. Actually, it is two! Well, like all other cars, it has the classic radio and lights and indicators. All the cars have that. But what this car has is a banana holder on the door. Very handy for a quick 1 or 5 a day. It also has a CD holder. Well, it's a pocket, but I put my CDs in it. Like this sick Billy Joel album, or wherever I put it. Here, and Blondie, always to hand. And for those longer journeys, I have a little pot, just in case, you know, the journey gets a little tough. Well, there's only one way to find out, really. Well, yeah. Oh, why you look so sad? Tears are in your eyes. Come on and look to me. I have a French lad, and he's just going to come along there a second. Let's give him a ring. He doesn't want to be here when I'm here, so I'm going to run off a lot in that direction, and he's just going to arrive. And I'm not going to be here while he's here, and I just respect his wishes, and then he's going to let me know when he's finished, and I'm going to come back again. So you won't see us both here at the same time, because basically we hate each other's guts. But yeah, I'll just give him a ring now. Hello, Dong. Here is your automobile. Oui, oui. Oui. Oui, 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 no. Oui. Oui. Oui, oui. À bientôt, à bientôt, à bientôt. Oh, bonjour, je m'appelle Jean. Je vais essayer de conduire sa voiture. Quel est ce morceau de mode? Absolument inutile. N'obtenez pas cette voiture. Jesus. Now, anyone that knows me knows I can't play the harmonica at all. It's not... Just can't play it at all. Let's see if it gets better when I get in the car. Okay. That sounds an awful lot like Piano Man by Billy Joel. I think that's a success. I have to say, the Ford excelled in every aspect. I can't fault it, simply because I can't afford a new car. So if you're going to drive, why not drive in style? Oh wait, this is bad, this could be bad. Okay, so this is an issue. Brandon's dead. Completely forgot about him in the boot. Fell asleep overnight. I left him in there. He must have suffocated. Okay, I have to turn myself into the guards, I suppose. No, I can't do that. At least I can drive away.